Hey guys, Andy here from Sales Rocket, and in this video I'm going to show you some of the updates inside of the Flow Builder. The first one, which is the most important, is the Send API message flow step, which is brand new, came out last night, and it is awesome. It means that those of you that are using MySMS app, or those of you that have connected your own third-party communications channels, are now able to easily send a message out of the Flow Builder and just simply choose which API channel you want to send it from, which is fantastic. Now, in this example here, I have added a send API message, and I've actually used the output of this LLM prompt in order to populate it. Now, you're going to find that when you go to this plus button here right now, we haven't added in the forms or API outputs and stuff like that in here. They do work. It's just visually they haven't been added yet. Dev's on it. They're going to work on it now, and we'll get that added soon. But you can, in the short term, just add on a note, and then you can just grab whatever it is that you need. So in my case, I use the prompt output, and then you can just copy that. You don't even need to save it. You've got the merge field you need, and you can put it into the API message step. Okay, which is exactly what I've just done. And that basically means that you can then have the outbound message being generated by the AI, and in this very simple flow that I've put together here, you can see that you can do a form submission as a trigger or whatever else you need, access that form data or that LLM data inside the API message. Again, it works. It's just you have to use a note to get the merge field to put it in. We will fix it. It's just something that's not been done just yet, but still great to have the API message out there and able to be used right away. It's going to be a big improvement over people having to use custom API steps and getting a little bit confused. So fantastic work from the dev team there. The other thing that they've done in the logic in the rate limit is they've added seconds, which for me is fantastic, because it means now that we can do, rather than saying one every, or rephrasing that, rather than saying 3 every minute and 3 people going through on the minute every minute, now we could say 1 every 20 seconds, for example, which is awesome. Okay, because it means that you've now got second-based control over people going on to the next stage in the flow, which is fantastic for those of you that need that functionality. Has been added. Again, quite a simple update from dev, but still nonetheless really, really valuable, really, really important. And I know a lot of you are going to want to use that, which is fantastic. Okay, you're going to be seeing some changes in the inbox functionality for API channels as well. So if I go to this, right now we name, and this is more for MySMS app customers, we name the inbox as MySMS.app. We're going to be adding the phone number, what's this one, to the end of it as well, so that you can easily identify which one's which, because we've got some people that have multiple phones or multiple numbers connected to one account, and the challenge that they're facing is that they've got several called MySMS app and they're trying to figure out which one's which. So we're going to start appending the number to the end of the inbox. So none of this is going to change. This is all still going to be the same. None of this is going to change. That'll all still be the same. This will all be the same still. We're just going to be adding on the phone number on the end so that you can easily identify which number it is that you're using. When you're in the inbox, you can click the drop down, click the webhooks, and you can see which one it is that you're using. So yeah, fantastic work from Dev on the automation side of things. Really happy to see the send message step. Really happy to see the rate limit in place as well. And there are going to be some more updates coming through here. I haven't done a video in a while. I really wanted to get this one out there, especially with that new send message step coming out. But there's some new stuff happening with AI employees I'm going to shoot some videos on. And I've got a way for you to take Facebook lead form data and put it straight into Google Sheets, and then take it from Google Sheets and put it directly into the platform. And I'm going to walk you through that in another video.